my experience at Extentia. It was a very rich experience on the professional and the personal level. I got to experience a different work culture and explore the different technologies that Extentia work with. So Connect is an internship program that Extentia offers to international students. I got to know about this program through a friend of mine who was a Connect intern at Extentia. So after his positive feedback about the program, I just applied at the website and I got contacted by the HR team to pass the interview. I had a wonderful team. All the team members are very helpful. They tried to make me comfortable when I first joined because the environment was very different for me, and also they gave me all the support that I needed during the period that I spent at Extentia. India is a huge country that has a lot to offer. It has a very rich history and culture, and the nature is just breathtaking. And also you will find a lot of varieties of food. I traveled to some parts of the north and south, and it's just like two different worlds. Pune is one of the best cities to live in India. It has a nice weather and a lot of good places to visit. Also, a lot of people come to Pune from different parts of India for work, which makes the city very dynamic. Now that I finished my internship with Extentia, I will start looking for a job in Morocco or abroad and start working on my personal project. What I learned from Extentia is the time management, work under pressure, and solving problems using the design thinking process. Of course, I would like to, and I recommend to anyone who wants to get a valuable work experience to join Extentia because it's worth it.